Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create an account in Brainly app. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, download and install the Brainly app to your device, and after that open your app and tap on this profile icon to the bottom right corner, and now tap on sign up. And to sign up you can select Google or Facebook. So I'm going to selecting here Google, and I'm going to selecting my email address to sign up here. So after that, enter here your username or nickname for your Brainly account. So I'm going to type in my username here. So select here your country from this list and enter here your age, and make sure to check this option and tap on continue. And finally here we can see I've successfully created my account here. So that's how you can create a Brainly account. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.